Just a quick video this week showing the different colours available from Milliput and what they look like, as it's a question I see asked regularly. Milliput is a two-part epoxy putty, it can be used for all sorts of repairs and is now widely being used in the woodworking and maker community. The company was established in 1968. It's a family-run business whom I had the pleasure of meeting in person at Makers Central in 2019. And for more information on Milliput, check out their website at www.milliput.com. At the time of recording there are 6 available colours. Standard yellow or grey Milliput is general purpose grade and the product has been around for many years and used on the toughest tasks. It's great for filling dents in metal, plastic and wood. It's commonly used for model making, sculpting, jewellery making, plumbing and many more applications. Black Milliput is ideal if you want to match a black surface without having to paint it afterwards. It can be drilled, filed and sanded while retaining its adhesive properties and bonding strength. It's great for guttering, ebonised wood, slate and black plastic parts. Silver grey Milliput is ideal for applications that don't involve extremely fine detail. It's slightly finer than standard Milliput and great for repairing garden ornaments, model making and sculpting. Superfine White Milliput is specially formulated for the restoration of porcelain and ceramics where a fine finish is desired. It's recognised as one of the finest materials available for ceramic restoration and it's great for modelling, sculpting, new PVC repairs, chips in tiles and many more applications. Terracotta Milliput has been featured in gardening sections of national newspapers and leading garden magazines. It's great for repairing terracotta pots, damaged brickwork, quarry tiles, model making and sculpting. Turquoise Blue Milliput was added in 2019 after many makers and Milliput users asked whether another colour could be added and blue was the most requested choice. It's great for marbling, jewellery making, sculpting, woodwork and wood turning. So this is a Superfine White Milliput. As already mentioned, it's a two-part epoxy putty and sets hard when equal portions of each stick within the box is mixed together, which usually takes around 4 hours. If I'm in no rush I tend to leave my project setting overnight. The 2 equal portions are mixed for around 5 minutes following the instructions. I find that after applying the Milliput, a little water on the fingertip helps to really smooth it over and press it in place. I've made myself a little colour chart which I'm adding the Milliput to, and it was something I machined on the CNC earlier. All being well, it'll be a nice little reference tool when needing to compare the different colours. So in the following clips you can see the rest of the colours and how they all look before and after mixing. Hopefully the video will be of help if you're looking to explore the Milliput range. Prior to making the videos on YouTube, I worked as a firefighter for nearly 20 years, serving my community and helping to save lives and promote the fire safety message. Unfortunately, an accumulation of many upsetting scenes became too much for my mind to cope with, and after years of failed therapy I was retired from the service on the grounds of ill health and signed off medically from any employment. To keep myself busy, both body and mind, I developed an interest in woodworking and car mechanics, and with already having a hobby in filming and music, I combined my interest and started making videos here on YouTube, filming, editing and composing my own music for my woodworking and car restoration channels Smugwood and Smugwoodmini. Unfortunately, to produce such videos comes at a price, and with minimal funds after being retired from employment, I've turned to Patreon to see if there is additional support out there which could allow me to continue making the woodworking and car restoration videos. In return for support, there are various levels which are explained in more depth at the Patreon link below, but includes the chance to win one of my YouTube projects made throughout the year, and also inclusion into random prize draws open to patrons only. In addition, I'd like to thank everybody who already subscribes to my channels, or watches, comments, likes and shares them, as it all goes to help support my channels, and for that I'm really appreciative. It's my hope that I can continue making the videos for the foreseeable future. Thanks once again for your continued support.